What's up, y'all? It's your girl. Anywho, welcome back to another wash and style with me. But this is a style edition. So my hair is already washed, it's blow dried, and it's parted. Because we's doing my hair today. So I just parted my hair down. The top part of my head, I parted it down. And 3 sections. And then the back. Yeah, I don't even know how you guys can see the back, but the back of my head, I parted it across my head. So yeah, I'm about to do my hair. And I was thinking, as I did my hair, I was like, baby, I think I'm just gonna go to a professional. Because I just cut my ends, and there should be no reason why my ends look like this. So I was like, careful. So I was like, I think I'm just gonna go to a professional. And if I don't have to cut that much off, I'm just going to chop it. Because it's irking my soul, honestly. But anywho, I'm going to get started on the back. And then I'm going to come back when I'm at the front. Because you guys can't see the back. I don't have a 3-way mirror. I just have one mirror that I'm using. And the back, I'm basically using my fingers to do it. But anywho, I'm doing a Bohemian crochet look on my head. I'm gonna box braid my hair, and then I'm gonna crochet hair in my head instead of leaving my natural hair out to be curly, because I want to do all that. But anywho, yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. What's up, y'all? So I'm at the top of my head. I did the back. Let me show you the back real fast. I didn't see it yet, but this is the back of my head. So I guess I'll see it when I guess I'll see the back when I'm editing this video. Anywho, so I'm on the top now. Stop, Nori. I'm on the top. Stop. I'm on the top now, and honestly, like I said, I'm just gonna use my hands and feel for the part. The only thing I put in my head was, what is this? Oh, the only thing I put in my hair was flaxseed gel. So like I said, I'm trying to get it back healthy. And with that, I think I'm gonna get a consultation to see how damaged my hair is, because I honestly think my hair is severely damaged, y'all. Like it's not even a game. Like I can see it in the ends, but I feel like I got a hole somewhere, to tell you the truth. Like, see? I see it there. But like, is that all I have to cut? Stop screaming! Hey! Hey! Stop screaming. Ow. I see it here. Oh, let me put it behind the white.
Mom, he keeps on pushing me.
Hold on, y'all. Okay, we're not gonna fight over stuff. Let's calm down. So, it's behind the white. So I see it here that it needs to be cut. But I'm like, how far up does it have to be cut?
Here.
That's what I don't know. So, yeah. I think my best thing is to get a consultation and go from there.
Actually believe that I'm trying to help you.
I know y'all like. She always talking about her hair.
Are you kidding?
She always talking.
Do you remember what happened last time you said that?
She always talking about her hair, but like.
1912.
Because he loves her hair.
Period. But it's like. It's a It's a wash and style. The videos about hair, like. Okay, anywho. So, like I said, my hair is already parted. I'm just gonna feel for my part.
But Sage, she reminded me it's worth it. It's all worth it.
Look, y'all see that? Like, do y'all see that? I feel like This is the only healthy part, and all I gotta get.
She's the one. Don't do that anymore. You
So.
can't. We can't. Let the past be the past.
But anywho.
Have a drink with me.
But yeah. I made my flaxseed jelly gel.
I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. What did you do to me? You just need to learn when to stop. I can help you. I need your help. The Founders Council killer had nothing on you. By the decade's end, I'm calling you the Ripper of Monterey. I let you walk away. I watched you go over the edge. I didn't do anything to stop you. You couldn't have. Sure I could. I just didn't want to. But I want to now. Whenever you go too far, I will be there to pull you back. Every second, every day, till you don't need me. Right now. Right. I was gonna make some coffee.
Good. Gonna head to bed in a few.
Hey.
Alright guys, so I did this side of my braids, and now I'm about to add the crochet piece in, so I'm just gonna
Historical signs made of the same white.
take it by rows, like that.
I think all the wood burned. I sold my rage. You should see me. You have a weapon.
So I'm using this
Back on, brother.
colored crochet here
Let's go kill some
that I got from the beauty supply store that I told y'all was going out of business. I actually want to go back again, because I want to try foundation. I want to try maybe I should do this now. So what I've been doing is I've been taking my Shine Jam and I put it on the hair so it's not frizzy. What I was saying about the store was I wanted to go back and
previously on the Vampire Diaries.
get some concealer because I want to try the concealer only makeup instead of putting on foundation. But I was doing this part after, and I'm gonna see how it looks now. So I'm gonna just take this one back here.
1912, the Salvatore Milling Company chopped down an old white oak tree that was used to make the Wickery Bridge. Oh, I think still kill some originals. Morning, Sunshine.
Hey, how's Laura?
Indecent, but
So honestly, I just a regular simple crochet,
like a baby. Woke up alarm.
put it through the hole, pull it, knot it. Some people like to do a double knot. I honestly I ain't got the
She ain't the one.
I ain't got the time for that. I've been cutting some of the bottom off, but I think I'm gonna, oh yeah, I'm gonna have to add a little more. I've been putting 2.
Give it to him and tell him I miss him, okay?
With pleasure.
Please.
There we go. I think putting 2 on there. But what I was saying was, I've been cutting off the bottom, and I think I want to add some of that light color. So some pieces, I might do that. But yeah, that's just how I add them in. I put 2 things on each braid to try to make it look as full as possible. This is my first time doing this hairstyle, so I'm sure, you know, trial and error. Alright, what's up y'all? So my camera's dying, but anywho, I finally finished my hair. I tried to fill up the back as much as possible, but I'm not gonna see the back until I edit this video. So I'm giving you guys a full 360. So hopefully the back look good. Hopefully she look good. But anywho, I really love it. I think it came out so amazing. Like, and I got a whole bunch of hair left, so I'm definitely gonna be doing this style again. But like, how cute is she? Stop playing. Stop playing. Alright, my camera's dying. I love you guys.